6 का 9.
Now see the next part.
Sir, अंदर बैठो.
No. Part 4. Based on Nernst equation. Nernst equation, electrochemistry. Topic, chapter name is electrochemistry. So look at the third. For the cell reaction, 2Fe 3 plus 2I minus producing 2Fe 2 plus I2. This is the reaction. Cell reaction is given. E naught of cell is given, that is 0.24 volt. ठीक है? At temperature 298 Kelvin. A standard Gibbs free energy of the cell you have to find. Standard Gibbs free energy of the cell. Right? So Faraday constant we know that is 96,500 Coulomb. Asked in 2019. So look at the reaction. So here factor is 2. You can see 2 iodine is required. So factor is 2. So as we know Gibbs free energy formula, remember this one. Delta G is equal to minus NF E naught of cell. So N is the factor, F is Faraday constant. That is equal to minus 2. N value is 2, right? F value we know, that is 96,500. E naught of cell value we know, that is 0.24 volt, is equal to, now multiply all this, so you will get 46,320 joule per mole. Now convert it into kilo. So divide by 1000 and multiply by 1000. So this will become kilo and point is shifted here. So it will be minus 46,320 kilo joule per mole. So this will be the answer. So main formula is this one. So delta G naught means a standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy. N is number of electron transfer. Number of electron transfer. Write it down. Now look at the third sum. Fourth sum. Fourth sum is in the electrolytic cell. So electrolytic cell reaction is given, that is ZnSO4. Concentration is 0.0 N. 1 molarity. This is called salt bridge CuSO4. Concentration is 1 molarity. Cu. The EMF of this Daniell cell is given. So this is called Daniell cell. Daniell cell whose EMF is given, that is E1. When the concentration of zinc sulfate is changed from 1 to 1 zinc sulfate. So this concentration is changed to 1.0 molarity. That of copper sulfate changed to 0.01 and this one is changed to 0.01 molarity. The EMF changed to E2. So EMF is changed to E2 after changing the concentration from the following. Which one is the relation between E1 and E2? So you have to find the relation between these two EMF of Daniell cell. Asked in 2014, 17 and 3. Now see the explanation now. As we know, Nernst equation, E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon N log of. For this reaction quotient will be zinc Zn2 plus and this will be the copper Cu2 plus. So it will be Zn2 plus on the numerator and denominator will be Cu2 plus. So this is the reaction cell, or it can be called as equilibrium constant of this reaction. Right. So now put the value. So E of cell will be E1 is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon N value we know that is 2. 2 electrons are gaining and losing. So it will be 2 and log of. So for initial Zn2 plus concentration is 0.01 and for Cu2 plus it is 0.1. So it is 0.01 divided by 1. So calculate this one. E1 is equal to E naught of cell minus. So I will assume as a 0.06 divided by 2. I have just approximated. So it will be log of. After removing this point, you will get 100 here. So it will be up. When we take numerator, it will be minus 2. So it will become E1 equal to E naught of cell minus. Divide these two, you will get 0.03. Right. So next coming is minus 2 log of 10. Log of 10 is 1. So E1 is equal to E naught of cell. Minus minus become plus. So it will be 0.06. So this is the value for E1. Now solve for second E2 by using the same formula. So E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.06 by 2 log of. Main is concentration. So see here. Zn2 plus concentration in the second case is 1 divided by 0.01. So it will be 1 upon divided by 0.01. So it will be E naught of cell minus 0.03 log of 100. So it will be 0.03 log of 10 raised to 2. So 2 will be coming here. So it will be 0.03 into 2 log of 10. Log 10 is 1. So it will be minus 0.06 E naught of cell. Here E1, E2. So this is E2. So in E2 it is subtracted, right? It is subtracted. And here in E1 it is added. So E1 is more, right? So conclusion is E1 is greater than E2. So write this one for fourth. Now look at the fifth sum. If the E naught of cell, E naught of cell for given reaction has a negative value. So it is negative. Which of the following series give the correct relation between G and G naught and equilibrium constant? Find the relation between these two. Greater than 0, less than 0, ये होगा. So it is asked in 2011. So look at the fifth one explanation. So as we know the formula delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught of cell. So it is given that E naught of cell is negative, right? So see here, if we put the value negative delta G naught, then it will be plus NF E naught of cell. So it is become positive. So delta G naught become positive, greater than 0 when E naught of cell is equal to negative. Understood? Now write the second equation. Delta G naught is equal to minus nRT log of K equilibrium. Right? For delta G naught positive. So this is your positive value we have got in the first case. Greater than 0 means it is positive. Right? So K equilibrium directly you can see here it is coming negative. So it will be negative. So K equilibrium will be less than 1. So this is the answer. Delta G naught is positive if delta G standard cell is negative and K equilibrium will be negative for this case. So this is the answer. Write it. नेक्स्ट सम देखो, सिक्स्थ में क्या बोलता है, जिंक कैन बी कोटेड ऑन आयरन. Zinc can be coated on iron to produce galvanized iron, but the reverse is not possible. जिंक को है ना कोट कर सकते हैं आयरन पे, लेकिन उल्टा नहीं कर सकते हैं, जिंक के ऊपर आयरन को नहीं लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये 2016 में पूछा है. सॉरी. तो नाउ लुक एट द वैल्यू गिवन टू इट. E naught of Zn2 plus to Zn is minus 0.76 volt. E naught of Fe2 plus to Fe is minus 0.44 volt. Thus, due to higher negative electropotential value of zinc than iron, iron can't be coated on zincs. Understood? So you can observe here the value. So reduction potential for zinc is greater in negative, right? So that's why we can't do the reverse coating. So it is asked in 2016. So these values will be given. No need to remember it. Understood? So that is called a standard reduction potential chart will be given to you. Now look at the seventh question. The pressure of hydrogen required to make the potential of hydrogen electrode zero in pure water is. So pressure of hydrogen you have to find at electrode potential of hydrogen is zero at temperature 298 Kelvin, asked in 2016. So see the formula. So pH value for water we know that is 7. So pH is equal to minus log of H plus concentration. So pH is 7, that is equal to minus log of H plus value. So H plus concentration will be 10 raised to minus 7 molarity. So for gaining the electron for H plus, it requires 2 electrons to form the hydrogen gas. So write for cell Nernst equation, E naught of cell minus 0.06 upon 2. Factor is 2. 2 electrons are gaining, right? That's why. So log of pressure of hydrogen divided by concentration of hydrogen square. So it is 0 is equal to 0 minus 0.3 log of P of H2 by 10 raised to minus 14. Right, so calculate this one. So this everything is minus. So it will be 10 raised to 0. Power is nothing but pressure of hydrogen by 10 raised to minus 14. So 10 raised to 0 is 1. So pressure of hydrogen will be equal to 10 raised to minus 14. So this will be the answer.